Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, All Things Business. Al Thomas here. Guess where I'm at? Yep, I'm in the garage cleaning out stuff here. I've got to, it's that time of the year to do some house cleaning. Some of my old suits and custom shirts that I've had through the years that I had made up. Eventually they're going to be gone too. But while I was cleaning the garage up, I ran across some items I want to share with you guys out there, my channel, my audience, because I want to inspire you, let you know that the road you're on will pay big dividends. And I'm going back in the flash in the past, but just bear with me for a second. Let me show you why network marketing, real estate, and just traditional businesses, if you stay focused, what some of the blessings can be. This call is to encourage you. I ran across one of my first cassette tapes from aging myself, the 25 objections to network marketing, how to handle them. Look at that. The keys to success in network marketing. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, back in the day. Back in the day. And as I was going through cleaning my garage out, I ran across some of these other big checks I got that they give you to take home and show and keep on your walls or whatever. Mine's in the garage, but well, anyway, they're going to be, anyway. I want to share this with you. Sacramento Eagles, my company, October 16th of 1993 for $57,000 for 1 month. $57,000 for one single month. Now, what am I here to do? I'm trying to inspire you, to let you know, no matter, don't look left, don't look right, just put those blinders on like a horse in a race and keep going 100 miles an hour. Don't pay attention to anybody who's not encouraging you. You know, and then I ran across this one too. My God, it's so much fun. This is August the 20th of 1994 for my check for $101,330 for just 1 month. $130,000 for just 1 month. Now let's sit back and think about this. What would you do with $100,000 month after month times 12? That's $1.2 million a year. And some of you know that I'm too short to play basketball, and I'm not big enough to play football. And so what does that mean? That means anybody could do it. It doesn't care about your background, your color, your skin, how bad breath. It doesn't matter about anything but consistency. Consistency. Let me give you a couple things. Be consistent. Number 2, be determined to see the job through no matter what. Number 3, have faith in you. When nobody else has faith in you, have faith in you. And number 4, have a burning desire to see it through. I'm burning up with I got to get there. And number 5, be 100,000% committed to get it done. Just get her done, get her done, get her done. Just get her done. There's nothing that stop you, and nobody greater in this world than you. So don't let nothing stop you. You too can do it. And as I was going through, here's a copy of my last one. This was August 26, God, actually a year later, 1995. It went from $101,330 to $169,000 for 1 month. Now think about that, $169,000 for 1 month. Take that by 12. Add my bonuses in. Can you imagine what that year was? That was a good year. That's when I bought my first little, matter of fact, here I'm sitting on it. Yeah, I ran across this there, and then here I am taking one of the corporate jet out, and there I am there. God, these pictures fell out. And I remember taking some of my, and look at this, some like organization. I was sitting back here trying to think of who all these people on my team was going down to the ranch in Dallas with me. And also another important picture fell out. There's me and Mr. Peter Daniels, my mentor from Australia, who came to Christ with 1959 Crusade for Christ, when Billy Graham came with the crusade. And I just remembered something. You know, it's just amazing. He was in town years ago, and I had lost contact, and I saw the newspaper. Yeah, I had a newspaper. And I saw he was coming to town that evening. He was going to be at a local hotel here. I went there, got suited and booted, walked in the door. First thing happened, his eyes hit my eyes, and he went like that, like, oh my God. He called me to the stage, walked up on stage. He gave me the podium to talk for a few minutes about my experience with my mentor and the books that I've been on called The Awesome Power of Public Speaking. Now, I'm saying that to say this. Your life is so important that the world needs you. you have some great things in you that you have not let out yet, released. I want you to stay close to me and watch these videos on my channel. They're going to help you get there. Because why? If I could help 21 other people become millionaires and then go off into other businesses and springboard into great success and teach others, the same can happen for you.